I am Massimo Beccari. I am the partner of LAIP. Together with my brother Marco Beccari, I am the president of LAIP and the foreign sales director of the company. The company was born in 1958, founded by our father Mauro Beccari, along with other collaborators. And from 1958, the company immediately dedicated itself to the dyeing machinery sector. Little by little, the company acquired all the knowledge, skills, and experiences that allowed us to expand from the local and domestic market to much further countries, to Asia, to South America, now exporting to more than 25 countries. Then we began to participate in major international fairs like ITMA, and thus we started to make ourselves known, always providing an important point of reference for our technology, traveling around the world to propose innovative and environmentally sustainable machines. The challenges that the company is facing in recent years are many. The first, obviously, is to design and create increasingly high-performance appliances, mainly from the point of view of quality, without forgetting the issue of sustainability, which is a concern that is increasingly requested by our customers. The themes of saving water and saving steam are topics that must go in symbiosis with the technological evolution of the product, therefore high performance and increasingly sustainable machines. Clearly, with a view to expanding our markets, we have been looking for extremely high-end and exclusive customers who are able to install our devices. Our clients are basically dedicated to industries in sectors that are now very fashionable and innovative, such as the underwear sector, the sector of technical fabrics, sports fabrics, and fabrics that are specifically designed to resist both rain and cold temperatures, therefore fabrics ranging from the sports environment to healthcare. Last but not least, we are building machinery that is increasingly suited to the theme of circularity and environmentally friendly. The theme of textile circularity, that of reuse, and that of reusing waste or post-consumer items, we have built suitable and advanced systems to be able to recycle these products always within the dyeing sector. Starting from our expertise and knowledge in the field of highly specialized technical fabrics, advanced sports fabrics, and also the innovative dyeing processes used in the efficient recycling of various post-consumer products, we have come to supply highly important systems and solutions to numerous largest, most significant, and most important companies globally across the world, including prestigious Italian companies, as well as renowned companies located in Taiwan, and well-established companies located in Turkey, and prominent companies located in Brazil. These are leading and pioneering companies in their respective industry sector, primarily in the specialized sector of sports fabrics, which have been consistently installing and utilizing our advanced dyeing equipment for several years now. Going into the detail of our dyeing machines aimed at dyeing sports fabrics, it must be highlighted that they have some very important aspects. One, obviously, the first is the reduction of water consumption. The second point is that these machines are tailor-made, built and designed specifically for our customers, capable of optimizing the dyeing processes such that extremely high qualities can be achieved. Furthermore, a very important issue among our customers is also the ease of operation. Our machines have this advantage, that is, they are extremely simple to use. This obviously makes it easier for users. Furthermore, in addition to these aspects of technical performance, we also have the issue of savings. Tests carried out have shown that our dyeing machines used in this sector have notable savings in water, steam, chemical products and everything of around 20%. This is one of the reasons why an extremely important company in Italy has chosen to rebuild its dyeing plant exclusively with LAIP machines. The performance of our machines allows our customers to be increasingly competitive in their sales markets. The company has had significant double-digit growth rates in recent years. We have laid the foundation for further growth. We have organized ourselves in such a way that the company can make an increasingly higher contribution to the dyeing machine sector. We are organizing ourselves to produce more and more, because we have very positive expectations from the markets as the demand for custom machinery capable of treating extremely difficult fabrics is increasingly in demand around the world. We are therefore extremely positive about future expectations, keeping in mind that our company is able to fully satisfy the needs of top customers in the world. In this global market expansion, we must not forget that we are in Prato. Prato is the largest center in Europe for the textile sector. There are lots of dye houses. Our relationships with local customers will increasingly help us to develop products that can then be studied, manufactured, and sold all over the world. This is because made in Italy and made in Prato certainly has an advantage. The history of Laip is a story of a family. The Beccari family consists of me and my brother and my nephew, Matteo Beccari, who has been in the company for several years now. We tried to create a family environment within our company, within the Laip company. A familiar environment does not mean being an amateur environment. It means creating that feeling, that sense among all our collaborators so that they feel fulfilled by what they are doing. They also find pleasure in building ever newer, ever more innovative machines, and this collaboration between the management and all our collaborators is an important value. We desire and obviously work so that our employees can work in safe environments and productive environments that are comforting and accommodating for them and find satisfaction and fulfillment in what they do, because only the combination between collaborators and management, this union which must be very strong, can bring a good future for the company. This is the reason for the company's success. And let me also say, I'm happy to be Laip.